Howdy doody, it's me back again, doing some more burning. So what I'm trying to do here, see this crack, this fissure that runs through here? What I wanted to do is to open that out and make it more like a feature. So I just concentrate burning, and that will actually open up and will actually round off, and it will become a nice soft feature. Also on the side here, around here, there's a lot of compression grain, or what we call chatoyancy. So what I'm doing here basically is I'll be darkening this off, and this will become a richer colour. It will create deeper tones and also highlights. So you can see the crays starting to build up there. This is an area that's got plenty of gum in it, a lot of tree resin. Like watching the bush TV. Another area here I'm going to concentrate on. This, once I'm finished, will actually be quite a dramatic piece. It'll be a lot darker than what it normally is, but that's what I'm wanting to create, that kind of primordial, old, ancient, mystical feeling about what these are, because the timber itself is carbon dated at about 32,000 years old. It's been lying under the ground that long, and this is from out of the root sections. So this is where the character or the colour is. Okay, so I'll leave it at that. See ya.